Hello and welcome one more time to our channel Lakenfa Technologies, where we make coding interesting and easy. Today we are going to be looking at our second series with Laravel. The first tutorial we talked about how to install Laravel on our globally and how to create a project in Laravel. Today we'll be looking at how to create views in Laravel. I will continue from where we stopped. Now I'll open my VS Code. Now this was where we stopped. Where now in my VS Code, now let me the terminal, the server, the browser is still running. You can see welcome to my Laravel series, where we created the Laravel series and we created the new, we reorganized our welcome blade. Now how do you create views in Laravel? It's very simple. Now, like I told you, Laravel is a framework for PHP. So when you want to create a view in Laravel, now let me close this and let me close this. Now if you want to create a view in Laravel, you come here. I told you about the resource. Now if you once you install Laravel, you will see your resources and your route. Those two are very important, your resources and your route. So now in your resources, now you will see what under your resources, you will see your views, and inside you see your views, and inside of view, that is where you create what your PHP files. Now you can see that we have created what this welcome.blade.php is a default file that comes with a Laravel. Now if you want to create new files, I highlight the views like this. I come to what new files and I do this. Now let's say I want to give one post. You can say post dot blade .blade.php. You do that, you have created one. Now you want to create about 3. You come here now. Let's say you now do want to create another file. You say get.blade.php. You do that. Now let's do the last one. You go to the view again, and you now do this, and maybe say contact.blade.php. Now we have created what our welcome, which is the default one that came with our page, our Laravel. We've created blade, get, and contact.php. Now that we have created it, now let us bring in our boilerplate. Here I come and I bring in my boilerplate. I do this. You should know how to bring in your boilerplate or template by now. We did it when we were talking about our HTML and CSS series. Then here now I call my h1. I close my tag with h1 like this, and I now do what? Let me say I say welcome to my contact page. I save. That's for contact. I go to my I could do my template, call my boilerplate again, and I do this, and I now say h1 again. h1. I do this. I say h1. I do this, and I now say welcome to my get page. I save. Then I come to the post. I call my template or my boilerplate. I do this, and I now give it a h1 too. h1. And I come here and I say welcome to my post page, and I now do that. Now we have done that. Now then, how do we now view these on our browser? If I come here now and I do, let's say I do /post like this, you can see it has given me an error page. It means it's not showing. We have created a view here. From here we have created the view post, get, and contact, but it is still not showing on our browser. How do we now make it show on our browser? Remember, I told you two important folders are the views and the routes. So now I come to the web here now in the route. You can see that in our route here now we only have the welcome page. So that is why the welcome page is the one that is showing with our default route. Now if we want to now make sure that the other pages show, we'll have to create a route for them. How do you create a route for them? Simple. You come here, route, route, your double column, you do this, your open and close brackets, then now the inverted comma, it has a slash post. Now don't get me wrong, this slash post can be anything. I will show you now. Say slash post, and you come like this, you do your inverted comma again, and you put your post, and you say save like this. If I say save now, I have saved what's it giving me? Sorry, I put my view here, VIEW, view here, and I'll say save. Say save now. If I come here now and I do my post, call the post route, you can see welcome to my post page. Now what I was trying to tell you earlier was that this route, it is not compulsory that it has to be post. I can come here on this route and I can put go. It could be anything. It's just that you have created a route. As long as when you put this slash go here, when you get your browser, you call what? Slash go like this, it will still show. But the reason why I put I actually put slash post was just to what? Make it, just synchronize it that my route is post and my view is also showing post. That is why I did post here. So now I say control save. I come here now and I'll do another route. I do another route, column, view, and I do this. I do inverted comma slash get. I come, I put my comma, I do inverted comma again, and I say get. Remember I told you it is not compulsory that your route must be the same, must bear the same name as what your views. Your route can be different. It's just to make it easy to learn and easy to grab. That is why I'm using get. So now I come here and I'll do route like this, and I now say view like this, and I now put my inverted comma. I say slash contact, and I do this, and I say inverted comma again. I say contact, and I put my semicolon. Now I am through with my route and my views. Now I can come here and go here and say get. Once I do that, say what? Welcome to my get page. Now I come here and I do contact like this, and I do this. Welcome to my contact page. So this is how what you can create your views and create your route. Remember how to create our views now. Now even this, you can now decide to change your views. Now I come to my views here like this, and this welcome page, and maybe I want to change it to what? Index. I come and I say rename, and I change the welcome like this to index like this, and I I do the it is now ready to be used. If I come to my web, I also make sure I come here to change the name of my view to what? In index, and I save. So now if I go back now to my default route, which is what? My index page. Now if I go back to this now and I do this, I can say welcome to my Laravel series. So this is how to create views and a route for the views in Laravel. Now thank you very much for listening to this to my video. I would want you to go and actually press the subscribe button, the like button, and the verification button, and also just send comments on how you expect us to, what you expect from us, and how to improve on our videos and our lectures. Thank you very much.